Educati, the iTech for tech people. Libre at madali mong maintindihan. This is June Veva, and I'm going to teach you how to configure the VLAN, VLAN trunking, and VTP client and server mode. Let's get started. Okay, get the switch. We will be needing two switches. Arrange them properly. Okay, get the cable and connect fast Ethernet 1 to fast Ethernet 15. Fast Ethernet 1/15, and also on Ethernet switch 2. Right, switch on, and right click on Ethernet switch 1 and configure first the VLANs. This is gonna take a while. I'm gonna speed up the process. That is the power of video editing. Alright, I'm back again. So let's configure the VLAN database. This is an old-fashioned way of configuring VLANs and BTP. Alright, so let's create our VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 for the purpose of our demonstration. Exit and show VLAN switch. We have created two VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, and next we will configure on this particular switch the interface FA1/15 to be our trunk link. So switch port trunk encapsulation .1Q, switch port mode trunk. Alright, exit, show interface trunk, and there you have it. We have FA1/15 and it is on. We force the switch to use the 802.1Q and it is trunking. Alright, and third configuration is VTP. Going back to our VLAN database, and let's see sensitive help for our BTP. By default, this is a server operating in server mode. Okay, just to give you an example, see, I type VTP server and it gives us device mode already a server. Next is VTP domain, and we're going to use the Educati field. Any name you want will do, and we're going to put a password, VTP password Cisco. Alright, let's enable BTP pruning and BTP version 2 mode. Let's exit and show BTP status. Alright, we have version 2 and our configuration revision number is 2, and we have a maximum VLAN supported locally up to 68 and 7 VLAN, including our 2 VLANs, and it is operating in a server mode, and it has a domain name of Educati PL. Alright, let's save the configuration and let's go over to the next switch and configure that switch. Console. Alright, here I'm gonna first configure the trunk link called the interface. Let's go inside of this particular interface FA1/15. That's gonna be our trunk link, and switch port there too, and switch port trunk encapsulation .1Q, switch port mode. Let's force this particular link to be a trunk link, trunk, and show interface trunk. Now it is trunking. Let's go ahead and configure our VTP VLAN database, and we're not going to create a VLAN, but we need to configure our VTP. Okay, but this time around there's gonna be a client mode. All right, so this is client, and what is our domain? The domain name is VTP. Domain name is Educati PL, and the password is BTP password Cisco, and let's enable the BTP pruning and BTP version 2 mode. Let's exit and let's verify that. Show BTP status. And there you have it. All right, almost the same, but we are in a client operating mode and it is trunking. So what we're gonna do now is to check to see if we're going to see those VLAN recently created here on our Ethernet switch 2. Okay, by giving this command show VLAN switch. Perfect. So that is the simple concepts of how you configure the VLAN trunking and BTP client and server mode. Thanks for watching.